In this last episode of the tastytrade desktop platform overview, we will cover order entry and position management. We will demonstrate how to place a stock order, how to place a futures order, how to place an options order, and how to place an options on futures order. Additionally, we will review how to close a stock position, an outright futures position, and an options position. Finally, we will cover how to edit a working order and how to cancel a working order. Now, let's get started. Preparing a stock order on the platform is as easy as locating the bid or ask price. To prepare a stock order, enter the symbol into the active symbol field. When the quote information appears, click the ask price to set up a long stock order, or click the bid price to set up a short stock order. We will set up a long stock order in this example by clicking the ask price. After clicking the ask price, you will be sent to the trade tab, and an order ticket will appear below. On the order ticket, you can adjust the quantity or price by using the arrows, or by double-clicking on either to enter an amount manually. The bid-ask spread of the stock will appear beneath the price. Next, you can select an order type and a time in force from the drop-down menu. When ready, click Review and Send. After clicking Review and Send, you can review the account the order will route through. If you have more than one account, you can change the account by clicking the drop-down menu. You can also view your account stock and options buying power, your order details, including the estimated commissions and fees, and the order's estimated buying power effect. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. A notification will appear on the top left corner, indicating that your order is working. Your order will continue working based on your selected time in force. When your stock order fills, a notification will appear in the same place, and you will see your stock position in the Positions tab. Next, we will set up an outright futures trade. Placing a futures trade is like setting up a stock order. First, enter the symbol into the active symbol field, or click on the futures symbol from a watchlist to load the quote information. To create a long futures order, click the ask price. For a short futures order, click the bid price. For this example, we will set up a short futures order by clicking the bid price. After clicking on the bid price, you will be sent to the trade tab, and an order ticket will appear below. On the order ticket, you can adjust the quantity or price by using the arrows, or by double-clicking on either to enter an amount manually. The bid-ask spread of the futures contract will also appear beneath the price. This time, we will route this futures trade as a market order by clicking the order type drop-down and selecting Market. By routing a market order, the price field will change to MKT. When ready, click Review and Send. Here, we can review the order ticket before sending, including the account the order will route through, your order details including commissions and fees, and the estimated buying power effect, which is the overnight margin requirement determined by the futures exchange and required when establishing an outright futures position. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. Since this futures order will route as a market order, the final price will be unknown until it executes. The order will fill immediately and appear on the Positions tab. Now, let's demonstrate how to set up an options order. We will demonstrate how to sell a covered call on an existing stock position and sell a short put vertical spread. First, let's look at the Positions tab to see if we have any round lots or quantity divisible by 100 of stock to sell a call against to turn into a covered call position. Since we have 100 shares of Apple, we can sell a call against it. To sell a covered call, populate Apple into the active symbol field by entering the symbol or clicking on the symbol from the Positions tab. Then, navigate to the Trade tab. The corresponding options chain will appear below. For this example, we will use the table mode. Next, expand the expiration you wish to sell the call in. We can view more strikes by clicking the Strike drop-down menu. Then, locate the strike and click on the bid price to set up a short call order. An order ticket will appear below. Here in the order ticket, we view some basic information about the trade, and you can adjust the strike, quantity, expiration, and price by using the arrows, or double-clicking on the price or quantity to enter an amount manually. Further, you can adjust the strike by clicking on the option and dragging up or down. When ready, click Review and Send. Here, you can review your order ticket before sending. When ready, click Send Order. After the order fills, your covered call position will appear in the Positions tab. Next, let's set up a short vertical put spread. First, we will return to the Trade tab. To get started, we will enter a symbol into the Active Symbol field. When the quote information loads, the corresponding options chain will appear below. There are two ways to set up a short put vertical spread. First, by using the Strategy menu, and second, by building the position manually. We will demonstrate both methods. First, click on the desired expiration to expand. When viewing all strikes, the expected move is illustrated with an orange shaded bar, located to the right of the strike prices. It is calculated based on the options prices of each expiration series. The orange shaded area corresponds with the expected move figure that lists at the end of each expiration. Now, let's set up a short put vertical spread using the Strategy menu. Click the arrow to expand the Strategy menu. The left column flips between long and short, and this middle column flips between call and put, depending on the strategy. Since we want to set up a short put vertical, we will click to display short, put, and click Go. The Strategy menu will populate the legs in the expanded expiration below. You can adjust your strikes by clicking and dragging each leg to the desired strike. The price and information displayed below will update when adjusting. Before we click Review and Send, let's build the same order manually. We will start by clearing the order by clicking Clear. To build the same order in the same expiration, simply click on the bid price on the short strike, and the ask price on the long strike. Just like any other order, you can adjust the quantity and price. The trade information above the order ticket will actively update when you adjust the quantity and price in the order ticket. When you are ready to send the order, click Review and Send. Here, we can review the order ticket before sending, including the account the order will route through, your order details including cost, commissions and fees, and the estimated buying power effect. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. A notification will appear on the top left corner of the platform indicating that the order is working. When the order fills, a notification will appear in the same place, and the short vertical spread will appear in the Positions tab. Next, we will demonstrate how to set up an options on futures order. Setting up an options on futures order is very similar to setting up an options trade for stock and ETFs. For this example, we will set up a short strangle with futures options. Just like setting up an options trade for stocks or ETF. Start by entering the futures symbol into the Active Symbol field. Then, navigate to the Trade tab. The corresponding options available for trading will appear below. It is important to note that not all futures have options available for trading. You will see the following message when options are not available. Now, expand the expiration you wish to sell the strangle within. Since a strangle consists of a short call and a short put, locate the strikes you wish to sell, and click on the bid price of each option. After clicking the bid price to either option, an order ticket will appear below. On the order ticket you can adjust the strikes, width, quantity, change the expiration, swap between long or short, and undo, which will recall your last step. You can also clear the order ticket entirely by clicking Clear. Lastly, you can also adjust your order's price by using the arrows, or by clicking on the price and entering an amount manually. When ready, click Review and Send. Here, we can review the order ticket before sending it, including the account the order will route through, and your order details, which includes the cost, commissions and fees, and the estimated buying power effect, which is the span margin requirement determined by the futures exchange. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. A notification will appear on the top left corner of the platform. If the order fills, you will see a fill notification in the same location, and your short futures option strangle will appear in the Positions tab. In this final section, we will go over how to close a stock position, an outright futures position, and an options position. To manage an open position, start by navigating to the Positions tab and locating the position you want to close. to close a stock position, first, locate it. Then, click to expand the symbol group. Right-click on the stock position, and select Close Position. You will be sent to the Trade tab, and an order ticket will appear below. In the order ticket, you can adjust the quantity you want to close, the order type, and the time in force. When using a limit order to close a stock position, you can adjust your closing stock order price per share. After entering the closing price, click Review and Send. Here, we can review the order ticket before sending it. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. A notification will appear on the top left corner, indicating that your order is working. When your stock order fills, a notification will appear in the same place, and the Positions tab will display a 0 quantity indicating that the position is closed. Setting up a closing order on an outright futures position is like closing a stock position. Again, navigate to the Positions tab and locate the futures position. Then, click to expand the symbol group. Right-click on the futures position, and select Close Position. In the order ticket, you can adjust the order type and the time in force. When using a limit order to close a futures position, you can adjust your closing order price per contract. Or, when using a market order, MKT will appear in the price field instead. For this example, we will illustrate a closing order by using a market order to close the futures position. When ready, click Review and Send. On the order ticket you can review your order details. Since we are using a market order, we will not know the closing price until it executes. To route the closing futures order, click Send Order. The order will fill right away, and you can view the closing order price in the fill notification. Or, by navigating to the Activity tab and viewing your filled orders. When your futures order is closed, you will see a 0 quantity in the Positions tab. In our last example, we will close an iron condor. Start by expanding the symbol group. Then, select each of the 4 legs. Then, right-click in the highlighted area, and select Close Position. You will be sent to the Trade tab and an order ticket will appear below where we can enter a closing order price, and select the time in force. We will enter a target closing price, and set the order's time in force as Good Till Cancel, or GTC. Next, we will click Review and Send to review our order before sending it. On the order ticket you can review your order details. Since we are closing an iron condor, the short legs will have a BTC listed as the order action, which means buy to close. The long legs will have an STC listed as the order action, which means sell to close. When ready, click Send Order. The order is now live and working. When a position closes, the placeholder will remain on the Positions tab. Closed positions will clear from your Positions tab sometime after the market close. You can remove any closed position from your Position tab display during the trading session by disabling the Closed Position filter. A line under a position filter denotes that it is enabled and displaying the selected item. Now, let's go over how to edit and replace a working order. First, locate your working order. You can locate a working order in multiple places. When locating it, you must enable the working order filter to view them. You can view working orders in the Positions tab, in the Activity tab, or in the Overview tab on the right sidebar. After locating the working order, right-click on it, and select Replace Order. You will be sent to the Trade tab, and the working order ticket will appear below, where you can adjust the price. After adjusting, click Review and Send. Again, review your order ticket details. Once ready, click Send Order. The old order will cancel, and your new order will begin working. Additionally, from the Activity tab, you will see that your old working order has been canceled, and your new order is working. Finally, if you have a working order that you wish to cancel, start by locating the working order. When you locate the working order, right-click on it, and select Cancel Order. A notification will appear on the top left corner of the platform indicating that the order is canceled. Lastly, you can find more resources and answers to many of your questions in the tastytrade Help Center. You can reach the Help Center by clicking the Help icon from the platform, or by going to tastytrade.com and navigating to the Help Center.